Good morning, critters. How you guys doing? Making a mess? Big mess? Okay. You coming closer? No? You're going to scratch yourself. It's a little chilly out. It is. It's Thursday. Thursday morning. Uh-oh. Gotta unlock it. There we go. Yep, it's Thursday morning. The grass is... Oh, did I tell you guys what I found that I want to buy? And I'm like, the more research I do, I want it more and more. See, the lawnmower, when it comes through here, can't get in that corner, right? It can't get in that corner. It can't get all the way down the thing. And the weed whacker, like, yeah. And then you got the pond edge around that way. The toe behind weed whacker. So it's a weed whacker. I don't know if I told you this, just fast forward and wait till I'm done with this topic. But it's a weed whacker that connects behind your zero turn or in our case, our Billy, which is that UTV, or behind, say, a ATV if you have one. And it's got a couple wheels on it, and you could pivot it to like get the weed whacker string to like get real close to the surface, or set it like 3 inches, and you could weed whack edges of things while you're driving and while you're mowing, because it has its own lawnmower. Hi YouTube, hi village. They're up there in the corner, way up there. Yep, they're right there. They've been there for years. They're only there occasionally, not too often, right? Lucy, Harper, where's Harper? Where are you? That's you. That's you. You're Harper. Yeah. Okay. Let's go this way. Ladies, don't get so excited. The grain is not out yet. Good job. Good job, everyone. Are you gonna go? Why are you being slow now? You just sticking around with Lucy? Okay. But yeah, it's a super cool item, and it's not relatively in the world of... Yeah, you're back. You figured it out, huh? I didn't put it out there. It was... Charlotte's going to check it out. Charlotte's like, I'll go look again. Let me go look. Fat Amy's like, hey, I might not be fat, but I still have fat tendencies, and I want my food. She's like, give me it. Look at her. How long are we going to do this stare off, Amy? It's very hard to hold this camera still, zoomed in at like 18%. They're all staring at me like, you failed. You don't know what the heck you're doing. Where is all my grain? Here comes the rest of them. They're like, okay, we're gonna go check it out. There go Harper with her huge teat. Ready? Where is she? Harper, huge teat. Just leave it alone. Don't milk it. Oh gosh, they're coming back. So yeah, in the world of implements, it's not that pricey. Now the goats trim most of the edge here, but I've noticed way up at the front of the road, they're actually not trimming it. Kevin and I were talking about it yesterday while we painted the fence. All of the fence is painted on the inside, and the metal is now installed all the way up to about the middle of the road. So now we gotta go all the way down and get it back to the barn, and then the goats can go out there. I'm hoping very soon. This rain has put a little damper on that. But this weed whacker idea is a great one. What are you doing? Are you serious? That was crazy. Like, she doesn't need any milk. She's bigger than you. That's nuts. Crazy goats. It's definitely time to muck out, but it's not happening this week because it's already Thursday, and we got goat snuggles tonight, small group, then another one tomorrow night, so we're pushing that off till next week at some point. Yep. Okay, bye-bye. They're mad at me. This is one of the reasons I'm not a fan of a wood barn. Metal barn, they don't do this, see? But the wood barn's way cooler in the summer. It's not as hot as the metal one. What are we doing under there, Billy? You guys have plenty of hay. You need to not be so picky. Oh, you're very talkative. Yeah. Where are we going? What are we doing? Can I get out? I know. It's not a very nice day. Not at all. All right, let's feed these girls some grain. Whoa, that wind just got me. The wind totally just got me. Wait a second, how many girls are out here? If I bring you grain, is it only like, we'll just go straight sweet feed for them. Ooh, we don't want that in there. Let's take that out. What happened there? We don't know what that is. Okay, that was too clumpy. I didn't like that. Amy, come on back. Okay, we got a little down here for the ones that want to eat way down there. A little up here, a little up here, and a little over here. There you go. Oh, here they come. Look at them. Oh, even Lucy. Go, Lucy, go. Wow, Lucy, you're going so fast. Lucy, there's no, no, good girl. Good job. They haven't even noticed it. There's a whole pile down there. There they go. Oh, wow, it's cold. Yeah, I'm not wearing shorts today. Oh, here comes more. Oh, the mother-daughter group. This is it. This is all I had for today. Nothing crazy. I gotta get that stuff either back in the shipping container or to where it belongs, because our tag sale idea is starting to come along. Starting to pile some stuff up that we're just not using or have too many of. And if you're local, we might even open the store for that one day. This is gonna be late July, early August. We don't know. We're not gonna do it until we're ready, really. So there's a lot of closets in the house and things I need to go through and just start moving everything to the shipping container. Until we basically say, okay, dining room, kitchen, living room, bedrooms, Quinn's bedroom, Jake, Tyler, the attic, the basement, the garage has all been weeded through, and everything we don't need / don't use has been moved, then tag sale about a week or so after that. So it's possible it might not even happen this year, but I really want it to happen this year. Okay, that's my video. You guys have a great day, and we will see you again on Friday. Bye.